Morning guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from SURAJ Secondary School, Mahindra. On behalf of SURAJ School, today I start my new lesson, new chapter, Dissolution of a Partnership. Dear friends, I already told you about the changing partnership, changing proportion ratio, admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, death of a partner. Now, today I will discuss with you dissolution of partnership form. What is the meaning of dissolution of partnership form? In short word, in changing percent ratio, the change of the old ratio and coming into the new ratio. In admission, a new partner come. In retirement, a partner leaves the partnership firm. On death, in case of death, a partner death and the business continue. And now the forms business firm close down its business and come to an end. Means now business is closed down. We will sell down all the assets and we will pay all the liabilities. If profit, then divide into the partner, and loss, then also divide into the partner. Dear students, dissolution of partnership firm close down its business and come to an end. Now firm close their business and it's come to an end. Assets will sold up and liabilities will paid. Different some candidates think that dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm both are same. I think it's same. No, dear friends, it's not same. In dissolution of partnership, it's mean change in the agreement, old agreement, end of the old agreement and a new agreement come into the existence. But in dissolution of partnership firm close down its business and it's come to an end. Different. In change in purchasing ratio, only purchasing ratio change. Business change in the agreement. Firm not close their business. In admission, a new partner come into the business, change in agreement, firm continue take place. Never end up. In retirement, also change in the agreement. Firm business continue take place, business will not close. Death of partner, change in agreement, firm continue take place their business never end up. In dissolution of partnership firm close down its business. The relationship end. Economic relationship will be end. How can dissolution of partnership firm? In three types. First one, mutual agreement. What is mutual agreement? Just like A, B and C. Both are agreed. Now they dissolve the firm, they end the business. It is a mutual agreement. Compulsory dissolution. Compulsory dissolution. First one, if their objective complete, their time period, they decide their business will continue for 2 years, and after completion of 2 years, they dissolve compulsory. If their business start, it is a legal business. Now circumstances come that their business become illegal. That is compulsory dissolution. Happening of event, if a partner is insolvent, if a person become unsound mind, then business can be dissolved. Notice. By giving notice to the other partner, one can be dissolved by order of court. Sometimes court gives order to dissolve the fund. And court gives order when a person became unsound mind. He have no ability to understand the term and condition of the partnership firm, then their business can be dissolved. Firm can give order to dissolve. If a person, a partner files suit against the firm, that he accepting another person's partner became insolvent. His work is against the firm, then firm can give order for the dissolution of partnership firm. Means it's the dissolution of partnership, it is the dissolution of partnership firm. Both are different. Now, difference between the partnership and partnership firm. First base meaning. In dissolution of partnership, only relationship change, agreement change, firm continuity. In this business, firm close down business. Business come to an end. Next, continuation of business. In dissolution of partnership, agreement change. Firm continue take place the business. The business will continue take place. In dissolution of partnership firm, their firm close down business, it's come to an end. Now business come close down its end. Economic relation. Economic relation between the partner continue to take place, continues to take place. In this case, economic relations between the partner come to an end. Now their relation between the partner come to an end. Next, closure of books of account. At the dissolution of partnership, firm close dissolution of partnership. Firm does not close its book. Its books continue to take place. In dissolution of partnership, firm closed down its book because business is closed down. Next point is which account will create in case of dissolution of partnership firm. In case of dissolution of partnership firm, which account will create? Dear students, in case of dissolution of partnership firm, all the assets will sold up. First of all assets realized. Assets realized. Liabilities and outside party loan, outsider loan paid off. Partners loan, from these two things, if any profit and loss received, that will be distributed in the partner. Here any profit or loss received, that will also distribute in the partner. Partners loan payment, partners capital payment, and your question is alright and you are doing well then for this case and bank account. For these two things we create realization account. We will create realization account. For partner loan payment, we will create partners loan account. For profit and loss given and the partner capital payment, if partner capital less than their liability, we will bring cash from the partner. For this, we will create capital account. Partners capital account. Cash and bank account. Cash and bank account. In next video, I will tell you about realization account. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.